What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Dusty Gremlin Garage. This week, we're going to be taking off this old busted deflector, put on a brand new one. Hopefully it'll make the front end of this look a little bit nicer. So first things first, let's get this old one off. Alright, so this thing's just held on by these clips all the way across. So I'm going to get a screwdriver out, get this thing off. So now that the front of my truck's naked, we gotta get it all cleaned up, ready for the new one. I mean, look at this. It's awful. Alright, so let's get this cleaned up. Alright, hopefully this stuff will chip up or peel off kind of easily. I know. Metal screwdriver on painted surface. But if you're careful, you really won't do that much damage, if any. I'm not gouging into it with all my might. Just enough pressure to try to get this old protection stuff off. There you go. No damage to the paint. So I'm going to put you guys in a time lapse. I'll get the rest of these scraped off, and then come back and talk about cleaning it. Alright, so now that I got those off, without much damage to the paint, we gotta clean all this up so that we can put the new film down for the new deflector. So I've got, see, there's the old deflector, garbage. So I've got this that will hopefully clean everything up, and then I've got some Mother's ceramic clay bar stuff that I don't know if it'll work, but it's what I got. So let's get to it. Now that we've gotten all of that stuff cleaned up, let's hit it with some ceramic coat before we put on the new paint protective film. This stuff smells like candy. I don't know if I like this thing as much as a regular clay bar, but this should do okay for what we're doing. It's nice and smooth. So we gotta use these holes up here. Gonna put some buttons in so we can screw it into it. Screw the deflector in. There's the new deflector. It sits underneath it fastens underneath the hood, wraps around the front edge. Doesn't have mounts like the factory one that I took off. Alright, so now that I've got those in, one there, there, and there, we can put the paint protection film on, which is this stuff right here. Got 4 strips of it, pre-cut I suppose. Don't know if it fits, but I guess we'll find out. Alright, let's get this protection film on. It's getting late, I want to get this done. There's not much to it, but I think I'm going to have to piece a bunch together so it covers everything. So I already did this one off camera. Oops. Now we got that one. Now you guys can watch me struggle with this backing on here. Don't have fingernails. There we go. But there you have it. Let me get the rest of this installed and I'll bring it back when I'm done. Alright, paint film's on. See it? Just a little line. Right here, all the way across. Now we gotta install this. Alright, so as you can see, it came with two different types of hardware. We got metal screws paired with the plastic washers. Those go in the white plastic plugs we put in earlier. Then you have these guys that go into the remaining holes. I don't remember which ones, but we'll figure it out. And then up here, that's how it fits on. Just slips over the top or over the edge of the hood, and you screw it in. And there you go. Installed. There we go. Doesn't look bad. Headlights were done a while ago.